Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways. Ethereum, ETH could hit $3.080246 of every 2022 Ethereum's cost expectation for the most negative situation will esteem ETH at $1,414,024 out of 2022. Ethereum's past all-time high was on 10 November 2021, where ETH was valued at $4,878.26. Ethereum's cost simultaneously truly last week, especially was $0. It especially has basically moved by 5,084% in the by and large past week and really is as of now at $1,767.53. In fact, in the beyond 24 hours, ETH has siphoned by 3,542%, which is genuinely huge. There is a kind of slight negative opinion in the crypto market in an unobtrusive way. The especially long-haul feeling, in any case, stays bullish, and ETH could hit $7.88564 of every 2023. The complete coursing supply of Ethereum as of compassing this video was $120.015,973.79, and the market cap of ETH stays at $212,215,373,653, which is genuinely critical. Significant disclaimer. For coins with practically no data of interest and inexistent verifiable information, the model of course will show a positive cost expectation. It is absolutely impossible for our sort of AI bot to unravel white paper, tokenomics and group uprightness. The coin's value that you are going to essentially see beneath can fall definitely contingent upon many variables, so if it's not too much trouble, contribute shrewdly subsequent to really looking at the group and project's white paper in an unobtrusive manner. This ongoing cost forecast explicitly is finished by a machine doing the math, and the model is still in the early beta stages. It should rigorously not basically be taken as a venture exhortation. Albeit the best specialists in a real sense are right now tweaking and refreshing the calculation. No human has confirmed the cost anticipated underneath, so kindly utilize your circumspection and by and large go with a choice shrewdly. Our Ethereum cost expectation model considers a great deal of data of interest and factors to give the surmised worth of ETH before very long to come. No calculation, in any case, can be 100% exact, however we endeavor to present to you the most reliable cost forecast by utilizing a high-level AI/ML information crunching model. The information focuses remember Ethereum's for-chain development of coins for August 2022 and past authentic information, in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum's absolute exchanging volume on trades for August 2022 and past authentic information. Ethereum's social feeling for August 2022 and past authentic information, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum's impending guide and developer action for August 2022 and past verifiable information in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum's essentially huge whale developments and their hodling designs for August 2022 and past authentic information. Ethereum's cost developments in light of different exchanging markers like Bollinger Bands, RSI, moving averages, both S&E, MACD and for the most part something else for August 2022 and past verifiable information. Ethereum price prediction. Ethereum truly has had a memorable 2021. To improve on the most recent ETH cost expectation, we certainly have split the forecast by transient Ethereum cost expectation and long-haul Ethereum cost forecast in opposition to prevalent thinking. As of compassing this video, ETH had an exchanging volume of $14,634,760,284. Ethereum generally has increased by 43,292% in the beyond 30 days. As per our examination temporarily, Ethereum cost expectation for October 2022 fundamentally shows the typical cost of ETH at $2,295,123 and the most elevated conceivable cost for October 2022 would be $2,455,782. Further, as per our examination in every way that really matters, long haul, Ethereum cost expectation for February 2023 shows the typical cost of ETH at $6.75208, and the most noteworthy conceivable cost for February 2023 would be $7,224,725. Ethereum cost expectation 12 August 2022. Ethereum's cost for 12 August 2022 as per our examination ought to go between $1,686,483 to $1,940,362, and the very normal cost of ETH ought to be around $1,813,423. Ethereum cost expectation 17 August 2022. Ethereum's cost for 17 August 2022 as per our examination ought to go between $1,783,875 to $2,052,415, and the really normal cost of ETH ought to be around $1,918,145 in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum cost expectation 22 August 2022. Ethereum's cost for 22 August 2022 as per our examination ought to go between $1,860,599 to $2,140,689, and the normal cost of ETH ought to be around $2,000,644, which is very huge. Ethereum cost expectation 1 September 2022. Ethereum's cost for 1 September 2022 as per our examination ought to go between $1,965,1 to $2,260,920, and the normal cost of ETH ought to sort of be around $2,113,000. Ethereum cost expectation October 2022. Ethereum's cost for October 2022 as indicated by our investigation ought to go between $2,134,464 to $2,455,782, and the normal cost of ETH ought to truly be around $2,295,123. Ethereum cost expectation November 2022. Ethereum's cost for November 2022 as per our investigation ought to go between $2,260,827 to $2,601,167, and the normal cost of ETH ought to basically be around $2,430,997, which basically is very critical. Ethereum cost expectation December 2022. Ethereum's cost for December 2022 as indicated by our examination ought to run between $2,387.19 to $2,746,552, and the normal cost of ETH ought to generally